Building construction follows a proper step-by-step process. First, site preparation and layout marking are done. Then, excavation is carried out for the foundation. After that, PCC is laid and footing reinforcement is placed. Concrete is poured to complete the foundation. Next, columns are constructed to transfer the load. Then beams and slabs are cast to form the structure. After structural work, brickwork and wall construction begin. Plastering, flooring, and finishing work are done at the final stage. Following proper steps ensures strength, safety, and durability of the building. Subscribe to Easy Civil Engineering to learn construction in a simple way.